individual jurors finds that one or more mitigating circumstances was established by the greater weight of the evidence. Yes.
To some legal experts, the life sentences were not unexpected, even predicted.
This was a case that was taking place in Broward County. Broward County is a very liberal county.
Law professor Bob Jarvis at Nova Southeastern University and other attorneys point out that there may have been several factors that led to the jury to pass on the death penalty.
The defense did a very good job of reading this jury.
Miami defense attorney David Weinstein says the Parkland gunman's lawyers may have had that deciding read on the jury on the day they suddenly ended their defense, a move that at the time had angered the judge.
They knew through their defense case, whether it was halfway through or 3/4 of the way through, that they had done enough. And there was no reason to keep putting any more witnesses on. They saw something that they connected with in one of those jurors that made them believe we've got one.
Finding that one juror who couldn't vote for death seemed to be an easier task than convincing all 12 to vote for death. It's not known if any jurors had any deep hidden objections to capital punishment, but there were other clues as to how some would understand the defense of mental illness.
There were 3 or 4 jurors, depending upon how you want to count, who either had experience with the mental health counseling system or had secondhand experience with it, and who felt that it had helped them.
Regardless of how and why, the jury's verdict seems to be final.
It's a system that we have to live with the result from. We can't just throw it out because it didn't give us the result that we thought would happen or that we hoped would happen.